play hating killers and hood niggas thrive, and lame motherfuckers can barely survive.
Catch me rolling through the city.
Yo, Willie, where they come past you, man? Yeah, Willie, where they come past you, man. So, this is the jelly guy out by Palisade Strip, where the people them come from Jack. Is it? Yeah, man, I bring some exposure to your thing, you know. Don't know. London TV. Shane, how much money have Shane? It now go stretch. Mikey, you brown dog.
Yo, the man lunch.
Go back road, man. Is it?
Yo, I'm on lunch money for go to school, brother.
Yeah, so you defend the man lunch money, sir. Look out for the youths. Yeah, belly full, man. So, Jelly, man, how long you do this thing out here now?
Years ago.
Years ago?
Yeah.
About 2, 3, 4?
Yeah,
Not them way you say. So you're well known by the joggers then. The people them work out. Good. So where your Jelly them come from? St. Thomas, St. Mary? Portland.
Mikey.
Proper side, man. You have a Twitter account, you want to big up, you want to get some Twitter following?
From pass. Where's that?
You have a Twitter account? No. Yeah, man. Are you not on Twitter?
No, man.
Alright, that's our word.
Not really.
Yeah, man. Out on the Palisade Strip, you say, you know. This Damien right here, you see?
Sorry, but you did it, man.
Sorry, watch you then. Give them the smile. So for your exposure, your jelly, man, we're not getting a free jelly.
You know, so you feel baby. Take a photograph, man. I go say it, go.
Nah, man, I want an exposure you're getting. You see, TVJ, that probably charge you all at 200 grand, you know. Yeah, man. Free advertisement. It's priceless. Actually.
Mikey, jelly meat, you know. That not yeah, put it over TV.
Yeah, man, I put it on YouTube, man. I make you famous, man.
Yo, lock off that, man.
Yo, I eat the meat, man. But by rights, the jelly, man, you should give you some free jelly for that, man. Even 3 or 4 more. I guarantee you, I get at least an extra 100 customers, you know.
Yeah, this willing one flesh is weak.
That willing. That if you listen to, man. I want to give a cane. Any one of them will work, you know. But you must come bust a free one for the free promo. London TV. London TV. So you say no freebie? Not even a cane?
You serious?
Yeah, man, I mean I'm serious, man. This will go up on YouTube later, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we are turning a star, man.
Almost famous for you. I'm on brother. Hey, brother.
So you never know Sam, brother? Yo, I'm here. This is.
Damn, I'm sitting here. I'll get out of the can look sweet.
That's it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See this? Respect. What you mean?
The men shall spend shall a man a job like what? We a bumbo clat and strike. Lick up it up and clat it. Swear to God I don't care if your body not the place and nobody around here. Cut it to win and the clip and the pick up and go and share. 6 man and 6 finna the bomber sound clear. I'm a flying belly bus brother going tear.